From the very first day you hold me tight, you whisper sweet words in the moonlight. Say your heart was mine, no need to fear. Say you'd be forever, always near. But now the nights are cold and the days feel long. I'm searching for the truth in a faded song. Your smile still lingers in my memory clear, but the warmth of your love, it now show here. Where is the love that you promised to me? You said forever, now where could it be? My heart is calling, can't you hear my plea? Where is the love that you promised to me? You told me no tears would ever make us part, but now I'm crying with a broken heart. Baby, don't leave me in this misery. Where is the love that you promised to me? No river could wash us away, that our bond was strong like the morning day. But now I see shadows where sunlight should shine, and I'm left wondering if you're still mine. The laughter we shared, it just drifted away, like the tide pulling dreams out to the bay. Still I'm holding on though it feels untrue, hoping one day I'll find the real you. Where is the love that you promised to me? You said forever, now where could it be? My heart is calling, can't you hear my plea? Where is the love that you promised to me? You told me no tears would ever make us part, but now I'm crying with a broken heart. Baby, don't leave me in this misery. Where is the love that you promised to me? Every night I pray you'll come back home. Tired of walking this road all alone. The silence between us cut like a knife. When you were my heartbeat, my joy, my life. Memories sweet like the sugar cane. Now they taste bitter with sorrow and pain. But deep inside I still want you near, longing to feel the love we held dear. Where is the love that you promised to me? You said forever, now where could it be? My heart is calling, can't you hear my plea? Where is the love that you promised to me? You told me no tears would ever make us part, but now I'm crying with a broken heart. Baby, don't leave me in this misery. Where is the love that you promised to me? I trust every piece of my soul, believed in your word, you made me whole. But broken dreams now fall to the ground. I search for your love, but it can't be found. If time could turn back, I'd hold you tight, keep the fire burning through the night. But now I'm left with questions untold, a story of love gone bitter and cold. Where is the love that you promised to me? You said forever, now where could it be? My heart is calling, can't you hear my plea? Where is the love that you promised to me? You told me no tears would ever make us part, but now I'm crying with a broken heart. Baby, don't leave me in this misery. Where is the love that you promised to me? Where is the love, oh baby, where could it be? The love that you promised, the love meant for me. Still I'll be waiting with hope endlessly for the love that you promised to set my heart free.